Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this beautiful idea of paper quilling Aarti Thali or the platter for festive season. You can put tea light holder on this or you can decorate this with flowers, diya and lots of puja things, and I will share how to make the base with symmetrical manner, how to decorate this with paper quilling strips and some mirror work, and the color combination is looking just like wow, isn't it? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this A4 size paper and I have just divided it from center from both the sides so that we will have the center of the paper, and using 9 cm radius I have created one big circle, and using 6 cm radius I have created one more circle using same center. Now taking my rounder and exactly in the center point putting my rounder and taking the radius of topmost circle edge and creating one semicircle like this. In the same way I have created 3 more semicircles. Now we have 4 semicircles and then we have to divide this part. So for this I am just taking little bigger radius, making some cutting marks. And then we just need to join this with center point. So we'll have exact center point between these two scallop design. So just marking the centers using pencil, and then I'm making one leaf pattern starting from this one end of scallop towards the other end of scallop. And the pattern is ready. Then we just need to cut this with scissors. And this is done. Now I'm taking one piece of cardboard and tracing this design. And then we just need to cut the cardboard piece as well. So after cutting it should look like this. Then we need to cover this with pink paper. Here I'm taking pink combination with yellow and green. You can take any other color combination of your choice. Add lots of glue on backside, spread it nicely with brush and then stick it on the paper. Then just trimming the 1 cm edge from all the sides, making some fringe cuts. Add little glue and stick it inward like this. So we need to repeat this all over the edge, and this is done. Now we have to cover the other side as well. So taking one more piece of pink color paper and just sticking it like this, then trimming the design from border. and this is done. Now keeping it aside, then I am taking one more cardboard circle which is 6 cm in radius, and I am going to cover this with yellow color paper just like we did before. So this is done. Now we don't need to cover it from back side because we are going to stick it exactly in the center of our pink piece. And the base for the Aarti Thali is ready. Then I'm starting with making some coils. Here I'm taking half strip of dark green color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared some more tight coils. So taking back the base and around the edge of yellow circle, I am going to stick these tight coils. And this is completely done, and the green color is looking very pretty in the contrast of yellow and pink, isn't it? Now for the next shape, here I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. And for next shape I am taking 1/8 strip of pink and 1/8 strip of white color and making one more tight coil. Taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Add glue inside the dome, and similarly I have already prepared some more shapes. So taking back the design and the scallop pattern, I am going to cover from edge using yellow tight coils first. Then for the next row I am adding pink white tight coil domes. And this is done. Similarly, we need to cover remaining scallops. Then to decorate the leaf pattern, here I am taking green color tight coils. These are light green tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of light green color in 3 mm. And the strip length I am using today is having 45 centimeters length. So this is done. Similarly, I have done with remaining part. Now I will show you how to decorate this. So for the leaf pattern, here I am taking half strip of light green color, half strip of wine color and half strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. adding glue inside this. Then for the next shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. We need total 2 tight coils for one petal. Then I am taking 1/8 strip of wine color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow color and making one more tight coil. And then I'll show you how to make scrolls. So here I'm taking half strip of wine color in 3 mm, dividing in 2 parts. Then taking pink color of 3 mm strip and dividing in 2 parts, gathering all 4 together, folding it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer so that you will get beautiful scroll pattern. Cutting the excess strip from bottom and leveling it up. Add glue to secure the end and the beautiful scroll is ready. Similarly, we need one more. Now taking back the base, and here I have shown you all the patterns for one petal. So with the same method you have to create for remaining petals. So in the center I have decorated with dome design, then adding scrolls and then decorating with some tight coils. And the beautiful pattern is ready. Now for the scallop pattern, here I am taking half strip of yellow color, half strip of pink color and half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. Here again I am showing you for one single scallop. So you have to repeat all the shapes for remaining scallops. Created the dome, add glue inside this. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color, making one tight coil. Similarly, we need one more. Then taking half yellow strip, dividing in 2 parts, taking half strip of wine color, dividing in 2 parts, gathering all together and making the scroll just like we did before. So we need one more this type of scroll and then making one more scroll using half strip of wine and half strip of green, dividing all the strip in 2 parts and creating the scroll. So we need one more this color scroll. Now taking back the base, and I am starting with the decoration part using all the shapes which we have created. And this is done, looking very gorgeous. Then I'm just decorating some parts using mirrors in different shapes like diamond shape, leaf shape and triangle shape. So it's completely optional, but it looks fantastic. And in this way my beautiful paper quilling Aarti Thali or Puja Thali or tea light holder is completely ready. Now for the finishing touch, I am just adding some golden color stones on green color tight coils just to add little more glimmer. And this is completely done, looking very gorgeous, very festive, apt for the upcoming season. And you can create this with different color combinations like red, yellow, orange or pink, purple, blue or white, purple, blue. Anything will look nice with contrast colors. And you can simply decorate this with tea light like this in the center and decorate the remaining portion using flower petals, or you can keep it in one corner, add some haldi kumkum and some flowers to convert this into Aarti Thali. Isn't it a great idea? So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.